What is the Polish spirit? Whenever I'm asked this question, I like to tell the story of Haiti, an island in the middle of the Caribbean which was colonized in the 15th century and then turned into a massive sugar plantation to which hundreds of thousands of African slaves were brought. It was one of the most lucrative and wealthiest colonies there were. At the end of the 18th century, the slaves rebelled, and in 1802, Napoleon Bonaparte, the French leader, decided to reassert French control over the island and sent the French army. Alongside the French, he sent a Polish legion. The Poles had recently lost their country. It was partitioned by the Austrians, the Prussians, and the Russians. And the Poles were fighting alongside Napoleon in the hopes that they would regain their homeland. It was only upon arrival in Haiti that the Poles were informed of the nature of their mission: to put down a slave rebellion. This reminded the Poles of their own struggle against their own colonial powers who had taken over Poland. That is why they switched sides. They abandoned the French and joined General Dessalines, fighting alongside the slaves, and contributed to the creation of the first free Black Republic. When the Haitian Revolution was won, General Dessalines, who took power in Haiti, recognized the Poles, granted them in the constitution full Haitian citizenship, and gave them the classification of Noirs, of blacks. To this day, there are many Haitians who have blue eyes. That is because the Poles settled there after the victory, and there are many Haitians with the very Polish surname of Zalewski. That is the Polish spirit, a spirit of love for freedom, of hatred, of oppression, and of always fighting for the underdog on the side of freedom, independence, and sovereignty. The story of Haiti is one that embodies the Polish spirit.